welcome to Kanen Coffee Espresso Machines. Today we're testing this beautiful Rocket R58 espresso machine, and let's go ahead and pull a shot. Oh, missing the cup here. See where we're getting really good crema. It's one of the advantages to having a beautiful machine like this. You can see it says Espresso on the portafilter. The customer didn't bring their own portafilter, so I had to use one of mine. And let's test hot water quick. Let's see here. Thank you. Nice strong hot water. We'll test the steam. Okay, so now I'm back. I saw a problem that the customer had reported where he was getting low pressure, and I didn't experience that when I was testing the machine. And then I was doing this final test, and I noticed that the pressure dropped really low. You can see it's not doing it now. But what I did was I replaced. So what happens is if the pressure drops low when you first open the steam, and then the steam heats up and it works fine after that, that usually means the vacuum release valve is bad. And so I replaced the vacuum release valve, and that's it right there, and it's working good. So thank you for pairing with Kanen Coffee. Please like our videos below. If you'd like to see more videos like this, please subscribe to our channel. Thank you.